Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and today we are going to unbox the Motorola One Android smartphone. This is built on the Google Android One platform and one of you is going to win this smartphone. Stay tuned till the end of this video and I'll let you know how you can win this Android smartphone. Let's start with the box. Branding wise, Moto has one of the best smartphone boxes out there and this is no different. Dressed in gradient blue, purple and white, you can see the Moto logo on the front and Android branding on the side. At the back, you will find couple of technical specifications like its screen size and RAM, which I will talk about in the second half of this video. Also, I will show you some camera shots at the end of the video, so do check them out. So let's go ahead and unbox the Motorola One and see the rest of the contents inside the box. As soon as you open the container, you are greeted with the Moto One smartphone, which also has a soft clear cover attached to it. I'm keeping it on the side for just a minute and will bring it back after it turns on fully. Till then, let's see what else does the company give you inside the box. After the phone, you get to see a cardboard container which has the SIM ejector tool as well as some reading material like the user manual and the warranty cards. This is followed by a turbocharger which says it is made in India. The next and the last item in the box is the USB Type-C charging cable. So that sums up the box contents. Let me get the smartphone back and take you over its features. Out of the box, up and running, the first impressions of the Moto One is a mixed bag of feelings for me. While I'm absolutely floored by its awesome design, chrome finishing, glass front and back in a shiny white armor, I'm a little taken aback by the large amount of chin area as well as side bezels on it. In 2019, where most phones are going in the opposite direction, this one looks a bit dated. And yet it looks ravishing, hence the mixed bag of feelings. Moving on, the front sports a 5.9-inch max vision display with 19:9 aspect ratio, which comes with a notch that places the front camera, the ear speaker grill and the proximity sensor. The screen is protected by a 2.5D Gorilla Glass which smoothly merges into the sideband. On the right, you will find the volume rocker key as well as the power button, while on the left, Motorola has placed a triple slot tray that can place 2 nano SIMs and a microSD card. At the bottom, you will find dual grills for a primary microphone and a loudspeaker. And bang in the middle of the two, you get the USB Type-C charging port. On the top, there is a conveniently placed 3.5mm audio port and a secondary microphone. Turn the phone around and you are greeted by a shining white back panel under a glass shield. So yes, both back and front of the smartphone has glass on it. Also, at the back you get a futuristic looking twin camera setup with the LED flash in the middle of the two. The Motorola dimple at the back doubles up as the fingerprint scanner, which has chrome on its edges. As we said, there is a lot of chrome on this smartphone, which is why even the Android One branding is etched in chrome under the rear glass panel. Overall, the looks of the smartphone does make it stand out. Now to talk about its technical specification, let's start with the chipset. The Motorola One is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset. This is coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage. The storage is expandable using a microSD card up to 256 GB. To power the Moto One, the company has installed just a 3000 mAh battery inside. However, they did include a 15-watt fast charger in the box, so you will get the battery charged up in no time. 6 hours of talk time in just 20 minutes of charge is what the users can expect. The operating system on the Moto One is Android Pie 9, built on the Android One program. So this smartphone will get security updates and patches in the first lot of rollouts. Talking about the OS further, It does come with an app drawer, and 4 GB of RAM is doing justice to its user interface. There are no sudden pauses or hold-ups when we were browsing or swiping through. Google Assistant and Google Lens also work from the get-go. With all this, I'm guessing the gaming performance of this device should be good, and games like Asphalt 9 and PUBG should work without any hiccups. And yes, Dolby Audio is also supported, so if you have a good pair of headphones, the gaming experience should be even better. A neat feature of the Moto One is that it comes with P2I water repellent coating that will save it from rain and water or any accidental splashes. As for the price, the smartphone is priced at Rs 13,999. Now skipping over to the cameras, the Motorola One comes with a dual rear camera setup of 13 megapixels with an aperture size of 2.0 and a secondary 2 megapixel camera with an aperture size of 2.4, which adds depth. For selfies and video calls, there is an 8MP camera on the front with an aperture size of 2.2. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop open the rear cameras and show you some camera shots in well-lit conditions. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Motorola One smartphone. If you did like the video, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also, you have a chance to win this smartphone. Just click on the link which is in the description of this video, the giveaway link, and in 5 easy steps you can win this smartphone. Basically, you have to tag 3 friends and follow us on our Twitter, Instagram and other social media pages. Also, if you want to know about the latest news from Gadget Bridge, we have an app on the Android Play Store as well. Why don't you download that and install it on your Android phone as well. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.